Hello people, so today we will learn about how the people creating rolling and credits with CapCut. So basically rolling end is the style of the editing that the text will be like moving from the down part into the upper part, and the credit is the informations that explain about someone or people that is involved in during the movie making process. You can just do it by yourself for your movie project. So this is the way. Open your CapCut and just click the new project, and the next thing we need to do is just go find the background. It's just depending to what you need. You can just do a random background here, and then you just need to go click add. And the next thing you need to do is adjusting the durations here. Since it's only have the 3 seconds and we cannot expand this clip, I will like to make it like slower, or since it is also a picture, so you just need to drag this side into the right side, into the duration that we want to have here. And the next thing you need to do is just adding the text inside of this project or the clip by go click this text and go click add text. I already prepared some text here, so I will to paste it right away. And here is the text of the credits, for example, and then you can just control the fonts that you want to have. Make sure that the font is really clearly to be seen, and go visit the styles and you can adjusting the space too, or even the color. So pick the best color that you want to have and just slide this side into the left side to find the space options, which is this spacing here, and I will let you add the space between the lines. So I will let you drag this point into the right side to adding the space between the line. Now you just need to go click this checklist button. You can also adjusting the size by pinch the text into the inner side with 2 of your finger, and whenever you're done, you just need to make sure that you are applying this text duration into the whole clip by drag this side into the right side. And now you just need to bring the straight line here into the beginning of the clip and just drag the text here into the down part until the text is disappear, and then you just need to go click this plus with this shapes, which is the add keyframe, and then drag the straight line into the end of the text sections, while you need to drag the text into the upper side until the text is also disappear. So this is the result. Hopefully you enjoyed this video today guys, and let's meet again in the next tutorial.